A brother and sister team that grew up in Mount Pocono has this borough buzzing about the Street Bistro and Bakery.
My brother had been in the restaurant business before, and we'd always talked about getting back into it together. We have a family history of making things from scratch and everything fresh made, and we like to share that with people.
I was overwhelmed with the atmosphere inside. It's very nice.
When we first looked at this building, it was really in terrible shape, and we grew up in this town. We hated to see this building sitting here falling apart.
If you look around, you'll see that we used things that were from the past, whether it be old doors.
My brother built that counter himself. Some of those doors came from our grandparents' house.
We have a big cabinet in the other room. It's from the early part of the 1900s.
The ceiling is tin. We put that in.
The menu offers many outstanding choices. Tell me about the cinnamon bun griddle cakes.
Oh, okay. They're a big favorite here, actually. So we take our homemade pancake batter.
Tell me when.
And we swirl into it a cinnamon and sugar filling.
Are you gonna hire me?
That's good. It'll go like this. Beautiful.
Look at that pancake.
Squeeze.
Drizzle a little cream cheese icing over it, and really doesn't require any syrup if you don't want to.
So what do you think of the bistro?
My friends and I came for a breakfast this morning, and we have loved everything about it. The colors, the decor, the people are friendly and sweet and wonderful, and the food is delicious.
Tell us what you like. If we have the stuff, we'll make it the way you like it. Enjoy it. We enjoy feeding people. I want to make sure that everyone has a good experience.